today at Stony Point was our annual QuestFest event, and this is a special event that we open up to the community and families at the end of our school year as really a celebration of student learning throughout the year. So each grade level puts on and presents their own project that represents a big area of learning that they have tackled throughout this year. Kindergarten was presenting all about life cycles of a butterfly. First grade was also focused on animals, an animal of their choice. They created a habitat diorama. Second grade presents a living wax museum each year. So each student memorizes a speech to share about the life of a famous individual who impacted the lives of Americans.
I'm Jessica Black. She did two first. First, she was the first Black American on the ISS team, and she was the first woman to spend a long duration stay on the ISS.
Let's do ancient China, because that's the closest thing to another land.
Third grade made Minecraft civilizations inspired by real ancient civilizations that they learned about this year.
I know fourth grade does how they lived in Jamestown. I'm very curious.
Fourth graders research a specific structure in or around the 1607 Jamestown settlement.
I learned a lot about it, like that they traded beads with the Powhatan Indians that were near so that they could survive the starving time, and things like what it was made out of, it had a thatched roof, and the walls were made out of mud and wood.
Refraction in water, such as experiments like ours.
And fifth grade did science experiments on a science topic of their choosing. One goal is obviously to showcase academic learning that students have achieved throughout the year that they're just now wrapping up, but also every grade level is seeking to showcase student creativity and critical thinking and some of those skills that are sometimes a little harder to approach in everyday assignments, but when we have some time to focus on a longer term project, we can really get into some of those skills that we want students to build as well as their academic learning. Doing project-based learning allows it to come alive in a way where kids are willing to take risks and push themselves because it feels like fun, it feels like joy. And they have an authentic audience as well. They're excited to share that with their families and their siblings and their friends, and so the buy-in is huge, and that really makes it a fun but also very purposeful way to end our year as a school community.